Good morning, viewers. My name is Umesh Kumar. Presently, I am working as a assistant professor in commerce at Government First Grade College, Hosmane, Bhadravati. In our previous session, we have discussed about the meaning of shares, share capital, and what are the different types of shares are there. In kinds of shares, as we have already discussed, that the shares are broadly classified into two categories. They are, one is the preference shares and another one is the equity or ordinary shares. In today's session, let us have a discussion about the meaning of preference shares. What are the different types of preference shares? What is the meaning of equity shares? And the prices at which these shares are issued and their meaning. Okay. Okay, viewers. Now let us take up first the meaning of preference shares. The preference shares are those shares which carry some preferential rights over the other types of shares. In other words, they enjoy some priority over the equity shares. The priority are in respect of payment of dividend and repayment of capital. The preference shareholders get the dividend first. After the payment of dividends to the preference shareholders, next the payment of dividends will be made to equity shareholders. Similarly, preference shareholders have a preferential right in getting back the repayment of capital. So that is the meaning of preference shares. Now let us move to discuss about what are the different varieties of preference shares are there. The preference shares are four different types of preference shares are there. One is the cumulative and non-cumulative preference shares, participating and non-participating preference shares, convertible and non-convertible preference shares, and redeemable preference shares. Now let us try to know what is the meaning of each type of these preference shares. First one, cumulative preference shares. Cumulative preference shares are shares which are not only entitled to a fixed rate of dividend to be paid out of the divisible profits, but they also carry a right to claim the arrears of dividend, if any, unpaid in the previous years. Next one, non-cumulative preference shares. Non-cumulative preference shares are the shares which do not get any dividend if in a particular year there are no profits to pay their preferential dividends. Their dividends do not accumulate and they cannot claim the arrears of their unpaid dividends when the company makes sufficient profits in the subsequent years. So that is the meaning of cumulative and non-cumulative preference shares. Next one, participating and non-participating preference shares. Participating preference share means these are the shares which, in addition to their preferential dividend, are also entitled to participate in the surplus profits or surplus assets. Non participating preference share means these are the shares which are not entitled to participate in the surplus profits or surplus assets. they are entitled only to a fixed rate of dividend. Next one, convertible preference shares. Convertible preference shares are those which are entitled to be converted into equity shares. That is, these shares can be convertible into preference shares in later days. Non-convertible preference share means these shares cannot be convertible into equity shares. Next one, redeemable preference shares. The redeemable preference shares are the shares the amount of which can be paid back to the holders of such shares during the lifetime of the company. In other words, the capital raised through the issue of redeemable preference shares can be paid back by the company to their shareholders. That is, their capital can be redeemable if the company desires. Such shares are known as redeemable preference shares. So these are the meaning of different types of preference shares. Another one important type of shares are equity shares. Now let us try to know the meaning of equity shares. Equity shares are shares which are not preference shares. These shares has the following features. Equity shares do not carry any preferential rights either as to payment of dividend or as to the repayment of capital. Equity shares cannot claim to dividend. They get dividend only after or next to that of the preference shares. The rate of dividend is not fixed. It varies from year to year in case of equity shares. The rate of dividends depends upon the amount of profits earned by the company. So having these features, such shares are called as equity shares or ordinary shares. Next one, that is, the shares may be issued to the public either at par, at premium, or at discount. Let us have a discussion about the meaning of these types of issues. Issue of shares at par. That means when the company issues the shares to the public to the equal of its face value, then such shares are known as shares issued at par. For example, if the face value of the shares of a company is rupees 100 and company issues the shares to the public at rupees 100 only, then such issues are known as issue of shares at par. Similarly, issue of shares at premium. That means if the company issues the shares to the public at more than of face value of the shares, then such issue are known as shares issued at premium. For example, the face value of the shares are rupees 100 and the company issues the shares at rupees 120, then such issue are known as shares issued at premium. Here the difference between the issue price and the face value of the shares are known as premium amount on shares. Next, last one, issue of shares at discount. That means when a company issues the shares to the public at a price which is less than the face value of the shares, then such issue are known as shares issued at discount. For example, the face value of the share is rupees 100 and company issues the shares at rupees 90 only, then such issue is known as shares issued at discount. Here, the difference between the face value and the issue price, that is known as discount on shares. Okay, thank you viewers. In today's discussion, we have discussed about the meaning of preference shares. What are the different kinds of preference shares are there? What is the meaning of equity shares, and also the prices at which the shares of a company can be issued to the public and their meaning. I hope you have understood well. Thank you.